Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing one reliable method. Partial products is the fastest for most problems. First, simplify both factors. Remove trailing zeros or convert to tens and 100s when possible. Then split each number into easy chunks, 40 plus 7 or 3 tens plus 2. Once done, form a clear plan. Which chunk pairs you will multiply first and which you will combine later. Make sure to keep a running estimate to catch errors early and to guide mental rounding. Now you execute the core multiplications. Multiply tens by tens, tens by units, then units by units, one pair at a time. For awkward factors, use doubling and halving. Convert 14 times 25 into 7 times 50, for instance, to simplify. As you compute each product, note carries and keep partial results in sequence so you can sum them later without confusion. Make sure to use your initial estimate to check magnitude. If a partial product is far off, reevaluate that step immediately. Finally, add the partial products while aligning place values, tens under tens, units under units, so carries stay correct. Once summed, reverse any earlier simplifications. Reattach removed zeros, undo halving or doubling, and apply complements if used. Then verify your result, compare it to your rough estimate, use a reverse division check, or check the last digit pattern for a sanity check. If things go wrong, rework the single problematic chunk and resum. Small fixes usually resolve the error.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.